One day, a 12-year-old girl came to get a blessing from the Lubavitcher Rebbe. And she got her blessing, her dollar. She was all excited. And when she stepped out of 770, she stumbled and she fell. She was very upset. So she waited in line for another hour, came back to the Rebbe and said, Rebbe, I don't understand what happened. You gave me a bracha, you gave me a blessing, and I fell. I expected that when I get your blessing, I should not fall. The Rebbe so wisely answered her, when I gave you the blessing, I gave you the blessing that in case you fall, you'll be able to have the strength to get up. My friends, it's not about falling. We're all human. We have our ups and we have our downs. We are normal. The problem is, are you ready to take yourself in hand and get up time and time again? Sheva ipot tzadik vekam. King Solomon tells us that even the righteous fall 7 times, but they get up. It's time to get up, and to get up with joy.